Hello everyone. Okay, here we're going to continue our GitHub project using CLI to automate the process. The essence of this automation is to enhance organizational efficiency, is to further bridge the processes, the manual processes of having to create users and others. Okay, in this process today, in this video today, I'm going to walk through on the process of automation of users, like listing of users, like this right thing here, lists users with right access, as well as revoking of access for users. A typical example is when probably a staff resigns from an organization or user leaves an organization. Okay, such accesses needs to be revoked since the person no longer works with the organization. This is to further enhance privacy of the organization and confidentiality. Okay, in this video, I'm going to start up by spinning our EC2 instance. Okay, as you can see here, our EC2 GitHub instance is already running. Okay, I'll be needing my public IP address, okay, as well as my key pair in year 33. Okay, I'm going to be copying this public IP address, which I'm going to be using, and the key, which I'm going to be using to Linux to access the Linux environment. Okay, we're switching into a Linux environment. This is my key pair in year 33.pm. This username Ubuntu, and this is my public IP. Okay, while we wait for the response. Okay, so you can see this is so successful. Now the next phase is to export my username. Okay, export username. Okay, my GitHub username. Okay, let me show us how to access this username. Okay, we'll come to our GitHub. Okay, we come to this point. This is the username jks123. We copy it. Okay, and then come to our Linux environment and impute it. Okay, now the next feedback is to get my token. Okay, to export my token. Okay, I'm going to be showing us how to access the token. Okay, kindly stay with me. To access the token, you come to GitHub. Okay, you select settings under GitHub. You come to settings under GitHub. Okay, and then you come to developer settings. This is to access our token. Okay, you select token classic. Okay, generate a new token. And then you come. There'll be a request for what's the token name, a description, what you're using the token for. Okay, and why you fill this, and then I'm going to kindly pause the video at this point while I generate this for privacy's sake, and I'll get back to it very shortly. Thank you. Okay, we're done with imputing our username and token. We're going to create a file. Okay. List user.sh. Okay, and then we'll now go into the file. List user.sh. Okay, this will prompt us visiting our terminal, our VS Code. Okay, this is the file for listing of user. Okay, this is our username, and this is token already generated. Okay, this is user and repository information. We have to command line argument here, the repo owner, which is firm places, and then the repo name, which is DevOps. Okay, while we go to our GitHub. Okay, this firm places repo owner, and then we'll have two repos. Okay, we'll have the DevOps repo, and we'll have the security repo. Now we're going to be listing users in our DevOps repo. Okay, kindly stay with me. Okay, we're going to be copying this. This is standard bash script. I'm going to copy this file. Okay, and then after now knowing the list users.sh, then we'll paste this file here. Okay, and save the file. Okay, now we're going to be executing this file. Okay, and this is how we're going to execute it. Bash list user.sh repo owner. Repo owner is firm places, like we saw earlier, firm places, and then we'll have the repo name. Okay, DevOps repo. Okay, this is the execution command. Bash list user.sh, the name of the repo owner, firm places, and DevOps repo. Okay, like we rightly saw. right list of fine places, and then DevOps repo. Okay. Having queried this, having executed it, bash list user dash user.sh fine places DevOps repo, and then listing users with read access to fine places DevOps repo. We have this name. We have Abraham. We have Adekibe. We have JKS. We have Soa Place. Okay, we're going to be doing the same for the security repo. Okay. Nano list user dash nano dash list user accessing. Can you still here? Okay, fine places. Security repo. Okay, we're executing for security repo. Okay, we have 4 persons with right access under security repo. We have 4 persons with read access, and this comes by default, while the right access was granted. Okay, for security repo. Okay, sorry, for users with these ones are users with read access. Okay, on security repo, while these are users with read access only with on a DevOps repo. Okay, now we're going to be querying for right access. Okay, and to do this, we're going to nano. Okay, write user.sh. Okay, and we'll go to our VS Code and copy the right access. Okay, as you can see here, this is the file for right access. Okay, this is the script for right access. Okay, kindly note that the condition for the first have been fulfilled. We just completed the list of users in each repo, like we rightly checked. We're able to access users on each repo, on DevOps repo, on the security repo. We're able to access them. Okay, can this still be? And we confirm we had 4 users each read access, users with read access. Now we're on the next phase, which is listing of users with write access. Okay, let's continue. Now this is a standard script. Okay, we have the username which we already imputed, the token, and then we'll have 2 command line argument, repo owner, which is the first $1 and then the repo name. Okay, and we're going to be copying this, okay, and pasting on our Linux environment. Okay, I'll save it. Okay, now we're going to be executing this. Okay, this is how we go about it. Bash write user.sh, then we'll have repo owner, firm places, and the repo name we're going to do for DevOps. Okay, DevOps repo, and then we enter. Okay, as you can see, we have listing users with right access to fine places DevOps. We have first person number 1 and number 2, and we have number 3. Okay, and we're going to be doing same for, we're going to be executing same for security repo. Okay, bash write user.sh, firm places repo owner. Okay, and security repo. Okay, and then we enter. As you can see, we have only 2 users here on the security repo, this and this, as the persons with right access. Okay, the next phase is that, like I rightly explained earlier, in a case where a staff resigns and right access needs to be revoked, okay, user needs to be revoked. Okay, this is how we're going to go about it. We're going to nano, to start by creating the file, nano revoke user access.sh. Okay, now we'll come back to our VS Code, and then we come to the file. Okay, and then we copy. Okay, and then we paste here. Okay, and we save the file. Okay, and then we're going to be executing this command. Okay, we're going to be doing bash revoke user access .sh. Okay, repo name firm places. We have we're going to be revoking user from, let's do from the DevOps repo Abraham Abi Adeki Abi and Saul place. Okay, and then it's going to be from the firm place as owner, the repo owner. Okay, we'll have DevOps repo. Okay, we're going to take the first name. Okay, that's going to use this name. Okay, Abraham Abi user. Okay, we enter. Okay, kindly stay with me. Okay, as you can see, revoking user. Okay, it's done. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to query to confirm it's actually gone. Okay, it's actually done. Kindly stay with me. We're able to access users on each repo, on DevOps repo, on the security repo. We're able to access them. Okay, kindly stay with me. And we confirm we had 4 users each read access, users with read access. Now we're on the next phase, which is listing of users with write access. Okay, let's continue. Now this is standard script. Okay, we have the username which we already imputed, the token, and then we'll have 2 command line argument, repo owner, which is the first $1, and then the repo name. Okay, and we're going to be copying this. Okay, and pasting on our Linux environment. Okay, I will save it. Okay, now we're going to be executing this. Okay, and this is how we go about it. Bash write user.sh, then we'll have repo owner, firm places, and the repo name we're going to do for DevOps. Okay, DevOps repo, and then we enter. Okay, as you can see, we have listing users with write access to firm places DevOps. We have first person number 1 and number 2, and we have number 3. Okay, and we're going to be doing same for, we're going to be executing same for security repo. Okay, bash write user.sh, firm places repo owner. Okay, and security repo. Okay, and then we enter. As you can see, we have only 2 users here on the. Okay, as you can clearly see, we revoked access for user on the DevOps repo. Okay, we just had bash. We only had solar place. Okay, and then we revoke access bash revoke user dash access.sh, repo name, firm places DevOps repo, solar place, and user. Okay, revoking user solar place from firm places DevOps. Okay, which was carried out successfully, was done, and then we try to bash write user.sh firm places DevOps repo. Okay, listing users with access to firm places DevOps repo. No user with write access found for firm place DevOps repo, meaning that it was successful. I've successfully removed this solar place from the DevOps repo, write access in DevOps repo. Okay, in conclusion, this can clearly be said that the efficient way in carrying out automation in GitHub while managing organization assets, this is actually the efficient way, effective way of managing access. Okay, managing organizations, access team members, access rights, and others. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.